Hello, I'm making this video because I bought a few things from a seller. It'll faster. It's a brain power motor controller for a DC using a 36 volt battery. So this is how are the connections. Now it isn't connected because I'm with the battery because I'm going to test all the steps that the seller told me to do to check if the connections if they are okay or not. First of all, I'm going to prove that my motor is working. For example, these are the three phasics connection of the motor. So if I let them to contact, the wheel of the motor will stop. This is without touching anything. And if I connect them, the wheel is going to block. Wait a second. See? Alright. So for now there isn't any trouble because it is disconnected. Okay, next step. As the motor is working perfect, and you can have seen how it's sent an spark because it is regenerating some energy. Now it's time to prove that there is no difference in the motor movement in this wheel if I let the connection, if I do the connection with the battery and this one. Okay. An EBC regenerative braking, my EBS show if it is working. Well, if it isn't working, I couldn't move this wheel when it is connected with the battery. I'm going to do the connection. Wait. I'm going to protect this wire. Wait a second. And now, with everything protected. Okay. This is the battery power. With some careful to don't leave anything out. This is the LCD. This is the throttle, and I'm going to left alone this. It is the brake and the EBS. So if I do the connection right now, you can see that the wheel is in the same status. So let's turn on. So the LCD gets on and gets the property right. What happened? Here, 41.7 volts on the battery because it is charged. Okay, so it is connected, and the seller told me that now it's time to check if it is rotating in the same way. If it is rotating in that way, it is because the EBS it is working. So let's see. Wait. Here. So as you can see, it's exactly with the same. I push with the same force to the wheel, and I don't feel like the EBS is working. So the EBS should be working properly. But what happens is that if I check the voltage of the EBS, it doesn't have the power that should be, and I don't know why. So I asked to the seller, wait, EBS here, and he told me that between the red and other wires here should be like 3.6 volts of difference, and that's how it should be. But here, alright, let's check it. Well, I'm going to prove that it's worked perfectly. So let's check EBS here. There is a difference of voltage between output point 8 more or less, so it should be okay, and nothing with the green wire. Okay, so this is a problem. Here should be a problem because between these wires should be 3.6 volts with anything connected. This difference of voltage should be when I connected the throttle of the EBS, right? If I want to, but if I connect it, the difference change of 3.6 that should be, and here's in 0.8, it's changed to 0.3. So I'm gonna check it to show that it hasn't the difference of voltage that should be. Alright, if I plug it and disconnected, the difference between the red and black wire should be the same. But as you are going to see, it's changed. To 0.3 more or less. Wait, until I can touch the wire. Alright, now, shit. Okay, to 0.3 volts when it should be 3.6. If I use the throttle here, you can see any difference. See? So I think it's of common sense that the EBS it isn't working properly. They told me that that maybe a bad connection between the red and between the wires. So what I'm not going to do is open the controller, because I don't know if I can break something else. The seller has told me another thing, that maybe the brake wires are touching, and this could be what is stopping of cell power to the motor. So what I'm going to do is to check if the white and black wire are touching. So you can see here the sound, because it is touching. So let's check if the black and white wire are touching between. Okay, let's check it. So, to check if I'm doing right the connection, black with black. Right, it's sound. Let's check if it happens the same with the white. As you can see, it isn't happening, so the break hasn't have a short circuit. So, as I can see, the trouble is in the EBS. So what I'm going to do is to upload this video to let you to know how I'm going. Please, if you can help me to fix this controller. If not, I'm sad, but I will have to ask to a refund of the DC controller, because as you can see, everything is working okay, unless the controller. So I'm sorry, and please, if you can help me. Thank you very much to watch the video, and if you have anything that could help me, please, I will wait to know something. Thank you very much, and goodbye.